Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use calcium propionate in bread only ways. Measure 0, 15% to 0, 25% of total flour weight, dissolve into the mix water, and add it early in the dough stage to ensure even distribution and consistent mold control for soft breads. In baking, the small details matter, so use a scale and calculate percent based on flour weight for consistent results. Weigh calcium propionate carefully, dissolve in the formula water, and incorporate it during mixing so every loaf receives the correct preservative dose and maintains intended flavor and crumb. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel and helps more bakers discover practical tips. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, a light read that pairs well with late-night baking breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Treat your first batch as an experiment. Test texture and taste before full production and note any recipe adjustments needed. Dissolving calcium propionate in water improves distribution, and proper labeling plus cool storage preserves quality while preventing unexpected variability between bakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.